Upgrading your Windows 11 hard drive doesn't have to be complicated. And the best part is, you don't need any extra software. If your current drive is running out of space or reaching the end of its lifespan, you can easily move your entire Windows 11 installation to a new drive using the built-in backup and restore feature. While performing a clean installation is always recommended for optimal performance, sometimes you just need to keep your current setup intact. Thankfully, Windows 11 makes this process straightforward with just a few steps. First, you need to create a system image backup of your entire system. To do this, simply open the control panel, navigate to System and Security, and select Backup and Restore. From there, click Create a System Image, choose on a hard disk, and select your backup destination. If you want, you can also include additional drives in the backup, but this is optional. Once you click Start Backup, the system will begin creating a full copy of your Windows 11 setup, including your apps, programs, and settings. Once the backup is complete, the next step is to create a USB bootable media so you can access the Windows recovery environment when needed. After that, it's time to replace your old hard drive with a new one, whether it's an SSD for faster performance or a larger HDD for more storage. Now, using the bootable USB, you can enter the Windows recovery environment, select System Image Recovery, and restore your entire Windows 11 setup onto the new drive. Once the restoration process is complete, you may need to reconfigure your system partitions, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. And just like that, you successfully transferred Windows 11 to a new hard drive without needing any third-party software. Whether you're upgrading for speed, storage, or reliability, this method ensures you don't lose any of your data or settings. So, are you planning to upgrade your hard drive soon? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse for more Windows 11 tips, tricks, and tech guides. Fire!